Hello YouTube, it's Jose Serrano from Jose Serrano Special Vehicles. Since 3 times top 20 and Grandpa Farms compilation for Guardians, Bingle Bruton, Zoglin. So here's another one. Before I posted tribute one for the new Monster Pigs was 3 times top 20 and Grandpa Farms compilation feat Warhog and Zombie 5 Penguin. I want to make sure to see Guardian Plus Masterpiece playlist I posted before since 2021. Please stand up and join the show. This showtime.
I love you, July. Your fucking ass sounded like it was hollowing out.
Yeah, ew. Ew.
I'm beating my nuts off you ain't paying my bill. That's why you ain't my goddamn lady. Don't give me my goddamn bill.
Go inside, Dad. I'm talking to them.
Come on, I'm out here.
Yeah, I got shit. Whoa, do I got shit? Be back.
Oh my god.
Like, did we just capture a fucking shit in the pants on camera?
Oh, goddamn.
Oh my god! Good now. Wait a minute. Those are the same pants.
Well, goddamn, I gotta finish cleaning.
Please.
Goddamn Roach over here doing the motherfucking backstroke. Turn that goddamn camera off! Whoa, come on. Oh, Michael, you got something?
Oh my god.
Yeah, that was an Ebola fart.
I had Ebola. Turn that goddamn camera off, Bridget. Mike, tell her to turn it off.
Bridget, turn it off.
Oh god.
Turn it off, Bridget.
Jesus fucking Christ. No wonder the plant's dying. That's what I think of Hulk Hogan. Oh.
I'm not breathing.
Somebody sent me a new pacifier. It must be a ghost. Hi from England. Wish number 2 would be I'd never met the. No, wish number 2.
Wish number 1. I'm staying at Dad's house. You did that on purpose. Jesus Christ.
Oh my god.
Turtle! That fart wake up anybody! Talk, fat ass. Hey, Michael.
You know something?
You want to think about you, though?
What? Ah. Oh, God.
Ew. Close my doors. Oh god.
You want to do it right next to the grill?
That's the goddamn having.
You want to cause an
Yeah, good. Dude, the hell? So you ran over a cat. Damn!
Jesus. You want
That was a good taco.
another one?
Oh my God. A roach.
What? It's toy.
I don't know if it sent me a roach, man. I got the insecticide for the roach, though. I just sprayed my house.
What is going on with you today?
My stomach is like, wow. I've had enough. I've had enough.
God! Jesus Christ!
Oh my God, my stomach. Oh my goodness gracious, I hope that flavor don't hit the goddamn meat.
What the fuck did I just witness?
That was a shit.
Dude, it sounded like fucking Uncle Buck's car backfiring. What?
Brent, my boyfriend's back and there's gonna be trouble. Hey ya, my boyfriend's back.
Ben's back, and I'm gonna.
One time was enough. We want to see more of Bridget.
Hey now, my boyfriend's back,
You
boy's
give me
back,
that
and I'm
part.
gonna be in
Give me
trouble.
that
Hey
part.
now, hey.
You know anything about that?
I felt air. I felt air. Oh. I could feel the air blowing at his ass. Oh my God!
That hurt.
Holy shit!
That hurts. You son of a bitch! You motherfucker! I'll be me out of my goddamn heart attack!
Oh god. Dude. Morning farts are the worst.
God!
Oh. Oh, not my way, please.
Hold on.
It's time for you to quit smoking. Happy Father's Day.
Fuck out. You want to do your car now.
That's Bridget's car.
I don't care.
I press charges.
Oh, wow.
Ew.
That's like that black one I had. Yeah. I shipped black green for a week. the Whopper.
Should not have eaten beets from like a century ago. Oh!
Oh my gosh!
Dad, the beets!
Call 911! Happy Easter, Grandpa!
Oh, dude.
Daredevil! That's me! I'm a daredevil!
Oh.
Yeah, that's what I think about Book of Thorns.
All right, Bridget, I need you to call some freaking homes.
Alright,
That's some stuff that, you know.
I believe that.
Then we're gonna have to send you somewhere.
nursing home or something.
Believe that.
Oh, God.
Every bit of being fucking garbage, but you get your mouth around it. Woo! Good God almighty. Oh, God. It's about this big around. I got him on the front door in Walmart.
Damn, man, you had a leg lift on that one.
Where you going, boy?
You got him sitting down. He's so grossed
I
out.
made him nauseated.
Back to back again in the thumbnails. We can't do that right now.
Oh, my God.
Unbelievable.
I'm glad we got along when on camera.
You left a stain on the car.
Oh, my God!
What the hell?
All right.
I still got to make mashed potatoes. I got fart. Oh.
Oh, good.
Oh, my Lord.
Oh, my God.
That's a barn burn.
Wait a minute, the power
I don't
went.
give a damn. I'm done. I'm leaving. Fuck this. I'm done. I'm done. I'm done.
Well, you gotta finish the game.
There's nothing. Dumbass. You ready to work?
Oh my God! Oh my God!
Oh, man.
Jesus!
God
I
damn.
turned up right when I turned on the camera.
Oh, God, my.
Jesus Christ!
Wonder why I fart so much. Do you fart a lot?
No. What? It's it again.
Jesus Christ!
No more.
Oh my God, that. Wish you a Merry Christmas. I wish you a Merry Christmas. I can't sing the body part, but I found one right here. Yes, sir. Hey, Michael.
Oh, God.
That was perfect. That was good, wasn't it?
Okay. Okay. You can't convince me that was her shit. Oh, she's.
Come up here and yell at me, man. Dude!
Oh, my God.
The fuck's your problem? I ate twice today.
What the fuck?
God, dude.
That's that bacon pizza. You feeling any better? Way too much bread.
Oh, my God.
Okay, that was wet. I'm 100% sure that was wet.
Oh my God.
Ah, you.
That Matt,
Oh, okay.
they'll be getting in the mother chicken.
I didn't want to talk. I just wanted to film. Oh, ooh. Oh. Damn fucking hole.
You got
That's what's left of it. Thanks.
You are a piece of shit! You don't want to think about that? Burn my goddamn face. question, Tina? Do I look like Elvis?
Yeah, that's your double. That's your twin.
Was that Mr. Gorilla? Is he waiting on his tea?
Why don't you shut up?
Oh. Well, what's the deal? What are you doing right now?
I'm cleaning up. I gotta cut my grass.
Trust me, you wait. You too, Grandpa.
The prank that I planned for Bridget.
I'm out.
I don't know what's gonna be worse, that fart or the prank we got planned for Bridget.
The prank we got planned.
Obviously the fart because it's not happening to me.
Well, close your eyes at least. Oh my God.
Yeah, boy.
Oh.
Had a burrito for lunch. We got me good. God, I feel fucking homeless.
Goddamn.
You wanna walk us through it after that? Yeah, you look fine right now. Look like you're ready to tap dance.
Yeah, let me give you a kiss.
I think he just shit his pants.
Have you calmed down?
I've been calm.
No, that was not calm. Have you calmed?
I've been calm.
Stand up. I want you to see something.
I want to
Just stand up.
Let's get him apart.
You're just trying to be. What is with you?
I don't know, man. Killing me though. There's your goddamn pipe bomb! I am cutting your hair!
Oh my God.
No.
I need to get
I'm
out.
fucking out of this.
I'm out.
Sit down! Stay here! Sit down! Oh my God.
I can't breathe.
Down the war off any zombies. God! I'm choking!
Oh my God.
Jesus.
Just gonna wait for the brownies.
Yeah. What?
Ah, goddamn!
Oh my God.
Oh my God. Oh my God.
Oh.
I'm out.
Wait, hold on, Dad. What? I didn't get it.
That burnt bad. That burnt hairs off my ass. And I didn't know the motherfucker was shooting at me. That grandma.
It's on the bag.
Just my fat ass. I got a big one. Hey.
Grandpa. Oh my God, the dude. Shoot. Oh, he farted. Oh God. Oh Lord. Oh my God.
You got people out there that they may not be as pretty as you are. Ooh. Or they might fart louder than you do. But you know something? God damn, fucking chair was wet. God damn, I got a wet ass. Motherfuck. Man, that little bit, I've been to that motherfucking candle. Fuck.
Okay.
Oh, God. That was good, kid.
Oh great. My new hat.
Oh, my God. Can't go in it! Your room stinks, man. You need to air dry this thing.
Are you trying to fart? What are you doing?
No.
Thumbnail?
Oh, God.
You were one nasty son.
Oh!
Oh! See you, Pop.
Bye.
Hope you like your new table. Bye, Margo. Shove it up your ass, because it seems empty now. Oh. Here swings your axe. Oh, man.
Oh my god.
How the hell did I get up?
I don't know, man. Ugh.
Keep on.
It is too early for farting like this.
Before I end this video, I want to make sure go see the playlist about the Guardians plus Monster piercings. I posted someone farted, burping, showing the butt, having a laser in the eye, and more. So that's it for now. We'll see you next time.